Hello guys, welcome to the seventh tutorial, and what we'll do here is we will add some more because we are working on our goals activity where we can see. Okay, so this Firebase we needed, and we need button also. Withdraw is no, withdraw deposit. Okay, so once we click on withdraw, we should be able to create a new method to make it more cleaner. And once we click on deposit, then this shows us, so we can deal with these methods separately. Okay, and so we need one more thing. Okay, let's deal with that later. So we have the tools here, and similarly the approach that we had used, that we were like creating an alert dialog and like entering the values, now to again like to withdraw or like deposit, we need that approach. So we'll just do that. Alert.dialog.builder, and we might need a progress dialog is also important. It just makes it look beautiful. Oh, no way. Okay, good. So what do we have here is get context, and this is no copy paste, so we'll just say deposit and builder.show, and now we're going to inflate the views. View inflated, layout inflator from get context, inflate r.layout deposit, view group, get view false, and we set this to builder dot set view is view inflated. Now how do we capture the value of that is so we'll just do the same step for, let me just add one, edit text et deposit, view inflated, find view by id, et deposit. So now let's just do the same steps for this one, and let's just change it to withdrawal, and et withdraw, et withdraw. Okay, and withdraw input. So that's it. Now what do we need? We need here builder dot set positive is deposit, new dialog dot interface, and let's add a negative button to it. Negative is cancel dialog interface. Okay, and let's just do the same this for withdraw, cancel, dialog, cancel, dialog, cancel. Okay, and now how do we catch the value of this? We just take string. Oh no, we'll just, yeah, et amount deposited, et deposit get text, and so we have gotten the value from this deposit, and we have stored in this integer. And so what else we have here? Yeah, so what do we need here is we get the progress dialog is set message depositing progress dialog dot show, and if whatever that you are depositing is greater than, or like let's just deal with it, like if total amount, if amount deposited is less than or equal to total amount, then like continue. Otherwise, if you are like if the goal is 15,000 and you are depositing 20,000, then it should not work. So we'll just come in here and like let's just get the fire, so did I get the FirebaseAuth here or not? Yeah, I have it. Okay, so what happens here is Firestore.collection, so goal dot user ID document goal ID. This I will explain in a bit. Update. What is the field that we want to update? Goal current amount. So I'll just go in here, goal current amount deposited. So now what has happened here? Uh, no. What do we need is like, okay, so if that was the approach, then if we, it will not be added. So we need to be able to add stuff also. So we have to take an alternate approach. And what would that be? So thinking. Um, we are going to display goal.user_id.document. Let's access the document that we are trying to update, and if task is successful, then what happens is goals model task.get result to object, and so first of all we are going to get this amount. We have to have access to it. We cannot just simply update it. We want to, like, add to it. So we are not going to, like, 1500 and it just goes right away, and then if I put the old approach that I was doing, if I put new values, then that the old value will be replaced. So we want to get this value first in order to add in it. So what we do here is current amount goal model dot get goal current amount. So now we have the okay, let's just get this. Okay, now what we do is the value that we get from here has to be current amount is going to be amount deposited, or this is like this: current amount is equal to amount deposited current amount. It's like something like this, but yeah, this is going to be like this. And so first we get the value of the current amount and we store it in this, and whatever value that we have entered in the edit text is going to be added into that. Okay, so now here is if this is successful, then Firestore collection goal plus user ID, document is goal ID, add no update goal, the value is goal current amount. I hope I don't mispronounce it. And here we do current amount and add on complete listener. So if this task is successful, then dismiss our progress dialog and give us a toast message. Deposited. So let's try that if this works. and obviously we will not be able to see the display because I did not set it to text view, but we should be able to see track the changes here. So right now I am at cycle, and if everything goes well then the value should be working. So let's add 50. Oh, a deposit. Let's add 50. Yeah, the depositing here, and only that is updated because this is the reason we were using goal ID. So that is 50, and now the rest is as it is. Let's go in here and let's add 150 more, so it should be 200 here. You see this? So this is working. Okay, maybe I should break this tutorial into two. So now the deposit is working, but maybe let me work on it 5 minutes more and let's see what we can get done. And now what we need is to go like we can set it, uh, we can try to set it to go text view is going to be to okay, so string dot value of total amount minuses the current amount. Yeah, let's make it final. Oh shit. No, let's bring it outside here. So what is happening here, that whatever amount is deposited, we are subtracting it with the total amount and we are setting it to that. So maybe let's try now and see that what we have deposited. Okay, yeah, so let's just deposit 40 rupees more. Okay, so that's an error. Yeah, so we maybe did not initialize this view. To go text view is going to be to go, and here also we would need to do something, that fetching the value first. So let's go in here, Firestore collection goal user ID document goal ID. And because once we launch the goal activity, then it should automatically show us that how much amount is to go. And let's just get right to that. So goal model value dot object goal model class, and int current amount goal model get current amount. So this fetches the current amount from here, whatever is present here. And what we do here, to go set text string dot value of total amount minus is current amount, and we place more to go. So maybe now it should work, and we can add this tutorial if it works. So yeah, 200 more to go. And I guess this is kind of like wrong, but uh, whole current amount, actually it should show 18,000 or something to go, but and what is the issue? Oh, we have to type subtract. So now maybe we'll get the correct value. If you like this video, please subscribe. Okay, yeah, so if you add 200 to it, then it becomes 12,000, and if I add like 800, so then it should show us 11,000 more to go. So yeah, that's perfect. So this is working very well, right? And now I will see you in the next one, so where we will work on the withdrawal. So thank you guys and subscribe.